Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the amazing properties of lemon for making soap. Lemon are not only great for adding flavor to your meals, but they also have some incredible benefits for your skin. Firstly, lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect and repair your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This makes it a great ingredient to use in soap as it can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Secondly, lemons have natural antibacterial properties which can help to fight against acne caused bacteria. This makes it a great ingredient to use in soap for those with oily and acne prone skin. Thirdly, lemons have astringent properties, which means they can help to tighten and tone your skin. This makes it a great ingredient to use in soap for those looking to improve the appearance of their skin's texture. So guys, lemon soap using glycerin soap base, it's super easy, and you will have a fresh and soap in on time. First you will need to gather all ingredient. You will need glycerin soap base, lemon essential, it's optional, yellow soap color add, it's also optional guys, and microwave safe bowl, a silicone soap mold, and a spoon. Next, cut out your glycerin soap base into small cubes and place them in the microwave safe bowl. So guys, once your soap base is melted, add lemon peels and stir well. Then add a few drops of glycerin and color also. Color is optional guys. And you reach your desired shades of yellow. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Now it's time to pour the mixture into your silicone mold, and be sure to fill each mold all the way to the top. Once you have filled all your molds, let them sit for about an hour and room temperature until they are completely colored and hydrated. Finally, pop your lemon soap out of the mold and enjoy. This soap is perfect for waking up your senses in the morning or for a refreshing shower after a long day. So guys, overall lemons are fantastic ingredient to use in soap as they have some incredible properties for your skin. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy learning how to make your own lemon soap using glycerin soap base. Don't forget to give it this video a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials like this one. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.